Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a caricatures from text in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open your Canva, sign in with your account, click apps and click AI powered. Make sure you have a good internet connection. Now you can scroll down and try to find the caricature maker. So turn text into caricature art. Easily create unique personalized caricature art with Caricature Maker. So you can click use new design to start. So this is describe your caricature. So you can try an example for practice. Red nose reindeer, oil painting, a man with bald head and a big smile, red nose. Let's try a woman with curly hair and round face. You can generate your caricature. And here we go, this is the result. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.